As a supervisor or approver, you may need to approve travel expense reports or travel authorizations for employees. It is best practice to routinely check your work list to ensure that travel documents are approved in a timely manner and within established guidelines. The preferred way to approve documents in SFS is via the Manager Self-Service link. To access the Manager Self-Service link, begin by clicking SFS Applications. Next, click SFS Financials. Click Manager Self-Service. Click on Approvals under Travel and Expense Center. Click Approve Transactions. This is the Approve Transactions Overview tab. It displays all travel documents that are ready for approval. You can click the tabs at the top of the page to filter for specific documents that are ready for approval, such as expense reports and travel authorizations. Once you have chosen your desired view of travel documents, you can begin the process of approving. Note that yield signs imply that an error, duplicate expense, or tax implications exist in the report. To review the summary page of a travel document, click the link in the description field or the transaction ID number of the report you would like to access. These links will take you to the summary page of the travel document you are reviewing. Review the information contained in the document. To review information by line, click the link below the expense type. You should also click on and review any captions to the left of expenses to see additional comments entered for the report. When you click on the link below the expense type, you will be able to view the specific line item you clicked. Once you have reviewed the line item, you can return to the summary page by clicking Return to Summary. Check the budget status. If the budget status is valid and completed, the report is ready for approval and posting. Note that if a travel document does not pass budget check, the budget status will say Not Checked, and the travel document cannot be approved. It will stay in the supervisor's work list until the supervisor takes an action on the travel document. For example, the supervisor may deny the travel document back to the traveler to update the accounting, or contact the budget office to increase the budget in the fund or appropriation. If the budget is increased in the fund or appropriation, the travel document will pass budget check the next time the budget check runs. After you have completed your review of the travel document, you can take the appropriate action for the report. Clicking the Approve button will submit the record to the next level approver. You approve a report if all expenses are correctly entered and appropriate. Clicking the Deny button returns the report to the traveler for editing. The approver must make a notation in the Comments field before clicking on the Deny button. In the Comments field, the approver can enter comments or additional information needed from the traveler. Once the report has been denied, it must be edited and resubmitted by the traveler. You might deny a report if the report requires more information before it can be approved. Clicking the Reject button returns the report back to the traveler and terminates report functionality. The report can no longer be used after it has been rejected. You might reject a report if the expenses are non-reimbursable or the traveler is not authorized. Congratulations! You have successfully completed the Approving a Travel Document module.